Cozmo's emotions are one of the most fascinating features of this tiny robot. Through his expressive LED eyes, sounds, movements, and animated reactions, Cozmo can appear happy, excited, curious, surprised, or frustrated. These behaviors give him a unique personality and make interacting with him feel much more engaging than playing with an ordinary robot. What makes Cozmo's emotions so interesting is the way he reacts to what happens around him. He can celebrate when he succeeds in a game, become curious when discovering something new, or show frustration when something does not go his way. These dynamic reactions help create the feeling that Cozmo is not simply following instructions, he is responding to the experience in his own entertaining way. Cozmo turns simple robotic movements into entertaining interactions that feel surprisingly personal. His changing facial expressions, playful sounds, and reactions to games and people make every moment unpredictable. Curious to see what Cozmo does when he gets excited, curious, or frustrated?